Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my memory decks, fall memory decks for a group swap I'm doing on Facebook. And I'll have the name of the Facebook group down below if you're interested in joining any future swaps. I've swapped there many times and I've always received great products, but great swaps. And I just did one. And it was so funny because my swap partner got hers before I got mine, but luckily she had forwarded me the tracking number, and somehow her package, went to Florida. It took a little vacation before coming to me. I don't even know if it's here. It said that it was in Arlington, so I'm hoping and hope I can share it. And here I am just cleaning off my desk. So I'm here today. It's a really great group. I love swapping on there, and I got a little boo-boo on my thumb today creating this memory decks. So I bought this memory decks from Amazon, and it is from KS Crafts. Um, I liked it because it had this little bitty uh, camera, and a bigger one. And Angie from Angie B's, oh, I think she has a new channel name, but she was creating or putting this together on her channel, and she had gifted me one, and Stace one, and oh my gosh, I love it. So I ran out and got me one. I had to get it. So with that, I it's a memory decks too, and it has a pocket and everything. I think it has other pieces. It has I think it has cheers, the word, and a bow and an outline. I don't know. I haven't really played with it, but I did play with the other bigger pieces. So here is my cute little memory decks. Yes, it's a shaker. I am not good at making shakers. This one, yeah, it's a little it's a little crooked, but you couldn't tell, right? So anyway, I used the pieces and made a little shaker, and I used these table scatters I've had in my stash forever, and these are these leaves. And I don't know how everybody does their what do you call it? Their shakers, but my shakers never. See, they're sticking. Anyway, I'm not, like I said, I am not good at making shakers, and it's probably why I don't make them very often, because I am not good at them. I don't know the tricks, you know, the the tricks of the trade. It's just I try my best, but I wanted to make a shaker because I love the paper in the background, and you probably have seen it on my other tag, maybe. Not really. Um, it came from Hobby Lobby, and I just love it. This paper is from my stash. Oh, my information's on the back. Um, and so anyway, I use this is like stretchy lace to kind of trim the the shaker. I added some of those die cuts that I did for my tag in my last video. I added some twine, and I added these really cute buttons. I just love them. They are so adorable, and it just needed something on the corner. Added more punch, the punch, Martha Stewart twig punch, more of the Spellbinder punch outs. This is a little pumpkin. I can't remember if this was from, shoot, if it came from, if I got it at Target or not, I forget. I've had this in my stash forever. Had some stickers. I wanted to spell fall because I wanted to put some kind of, you know, sentiment on here. Well, it's not really a sentiment, it's just saying fall. But I just thought it was really cute. You can definitely hear the shakers because there's some of these like half tubes. They really shake really well. It's these bigger leaves that don't, but oh well, what are you going to do? So this is my memory decks for the swap. And like I said, I'll put the group name down below if you're interested in participating in the swaps. So thanks everybody for stopping by my channel and watching my videos. I really truly appreciate it. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye now.